Installing the Atlas Plant Trainer on a couple of Krishna cookies. These Atlas Plant Trainers are very useful. They stay dynamic throughout the grow. They'll adjust, and I really like them because, opposed to a lot of other things, they don't hold molds. They're impermeable. They don't add any hot spots. Really like the Atlas Plant Trainers. I've been using them for, 3 or 4 years now, 2-3 years minimum. I love them. The durability, the construction. These went through a pretty good caustic wash before they were installed. I do that before every grow. I hope everybody gets something out of the series that we're producing. Sure appreciate it. Appreciate all y'all. Easy.